Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our Save Green Here channel. And today we're going to do a quick review in a few minutes of the Pixel 2 XL, approximately 1 year after release. And one thing you got to ask yourself if this phone is for you is, what is the reason that you're looking into purchasing this phone? Most folks are looking into the Pixel line for photography. They are having cutting edge photography built into these phones, and just like you can see here in some of these pictures, you can use the night sight, which you can see right here at the top, to take these pictures. And these are just pictures I took just messing around with the camera, but you can see that there are some beautiful colors displayed on there as well. Here's another one of a tree. We are in the fall season right now, so you can appreciate that as well. Blue sky with the contrast of the yellows of the trees, and really nice pictures as well. This is another one we took of a close-up of a rose with the bee on there. And what I'll do is, after the video, I'll just post these pictures on the screen. You can appreciate them. Then if it were being recorded on the phone with the lighting there, it's not going to come out as well. But you can see that the phone does take beautiful color contrast pictures as well. So if you're looking into this phone because of photography, that's a wonderful thing. It is. I do highly recommend it as a great phone for photographs. Also, since it is a Pixel phone, the Pixel apps work hand in hand with the phone better than it would on another phone. So you have apps that are made by Google, such as Google Maps and some others. For browsing also, it's extremely fast. No problems with it also. And you can use other apps as well, of course. There's your browsing. And as you can see, I have plenty of apps open at the same time and no issues whatsoever. But you can see even the weather is built into it as well on your home screen. And I'm actually on airplane mode just so I wouldn't get any calls while I was filming this video. But if you're looking into a great phone for photography, and you are one of the generational people that used to carry a camera around, and then once the camera phones started getting better, you're just looking for the best camera out there, then this is the phone for you. And some other key features of the phone that I like is you have speakers on both sides. So there's a speaker up here and there's another speaker here, so when you're watching a video or movie on the phone, you get the sound coming right to you. It does not have a headphone jack, and I know this is a bummer for some folks, but in my case, I actually like that. It means the phone is better built for waterproofing, and I've been using Bluetooth headsets for a while, so that's the way I go now. As far as the fingerprint sensor back here, you just press it, and once you press it, it opens up the phone just like you saw there. So it is a nice feature to have. On the back, it's where your finger kind of naturally sits on the phone when you pull it out of your pocket, for example. So you can unlock it that way. Now, some of the new phones coming out today have the fingerprint sensor up here in the front, and that might not be a very natural way to unlock the phone, although it could work for some. The only case I would see that being advantageous is if you put your phone at like let's say in a holder on your windshield while you're driving. It's easier to unlock it that way than to have to put it all the way in the back while it's on a holster. So that might be an advantageous way or reason why you should have it in the front. So all in all, I've been very happy with the phone. And if you are looking into a Pixel 2 or Pixel 2 XL, the differences in the phones is the size of the screen, whereas the XL has a bigger screen, but the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL have pretty much the same features. So the XL is actually built a little bit better, nicer around the screen as far as the edge to edge. So you can look into that as well if it's something you're looking into. But I thought I'd make this quick video. And one thing that I would recommend if you're looking into a phone, and I've done a few videos already of it, look into a military grade drop tested case. And you can see down there where my finger's pointing that it's drop certified. You want to make sure that that stamp is on your case, and if not, ask the manufacturer. But this is by far your second best investment after your phone, of course, is protecting the phone, and the case will do marvels for you as far as keeping it protected, keeping the glass from breaking, corners from chipping and stuff like that. You can see that the phone is in pristine condition just because if you do keep it in a case like this one, you will protect the phone and then of course increase the resale value when it's time to sell it. So I thought I'd make the video 1 year later because many reviews are done immediately when the device comes out, but that's not enough of a time frame to know if the phone is actually good or bad. But you do have a better idea once the phone has been out in the market for a while as far as reviews go. So I thought I'd do this for you folks. If you have any questions or any comments, please post them below. I will also post below a link to the case so you can look into a better case for your phone if you have had cheaper cases, and I believe I might have one lying around here somewhere. Let's see. So these kind of cases like this, they don't really protect your phone much, especially when it comes to the screen, because the screen is exposed. And then you have the tempered glass screen protectors. They're not really good. You always want to have something that in the front of the phone actually protrudes like this, so when you put the phone down like that, it's not being damaged. It cannot be damaged. Where these cases, where it's just a bumper case, this is what these are called, bumper cases, they're not really that good as far as protecting the phone than if you got a military drop tested case. And again, look for that stamp or ask. And for the money, this is the best case I've seen out there as far as money can buy. I can try to bend this and it's really hard because it does have like a backbone here with some padding to protect the back of the phone as well. And in today's day and age, more and more phones are coming out where the backside of the phone is glass, and that's to enable the wireless charging technology. And this case is certified for wireless charging on the wireless charging type phones. Obviously the one you just saw here is not a phone that is built for wireless charging, but the ones that are coming out, these cases are already tested and they will work for that as well. So thank you once again for watching. Any questions or comments, please post them below.